Hey everyone, Wethu here. Today we're diving into the Commodity Channel Index or CCI. This indicator helps traders spot overbought and oversold conditions, as well as potential trend reversals. So I'll show you how to trade with it manually and also show you how Olymp Matix can trade it automatically. So what is the CCI indicator? The CCI measures the difference between the current price and average price over a set period. When the CCI is above plus 100, the market is overbought. And when below minus 100, it's oversold. This makes it easier to identify entry points for trades. So now I'm going to show you how to trade using the CCI manually. Okay guys, so this is how we're going to apply the CCI manually, right? So what we do is, right, we click on that option there, right? And then we just have our CCI right there. And then we're going to look for the trend. As you can see, the market has been trending down for the longest of time overall, and then we can take a sell position, right? And you can see that the market is overbought and it is above 100, so it's around 147. So that would be a best way to enter the trade, right? So what I usually do is that I wait for the CCI to give me a clear impulse reversal, and then I can take the trade manually like that. So right guys, as you can see there, a profit was made, and you can clearly see that I looked at the market trend first and then I traded in line with the CCI. And with the next trade that I'm gonna take manually, I'm just going to wait for the market to come back to the sell zone, right? And then I wait for it to confirm by a little bit of a rejection with the CCI line, and then I'm going to take my trade. So I just took another sell because I'm seeing a rejection there, and yeah man, I'm just trading in line with the trend, so that's 100%. So let's see how this trade works out, and let's go. So guys, it's just going to be the same for the inverse. When the price is trending to the upside, you're just going to do the same thing, right? You're just going to do the same thing but inverse, right? When it's an uptrend, going to wait for it to reach oversold, and then you can buy. So this one was a loss, which is still fine. Losses are there to be taken. The market is a random distribution between wins and losses, right? You just need to stay consistent and continue. So right now guys, we can see that the market is at extremes, right? It's above 100, and there's a possibility that we can get a nice sell because you can see it touched here multiple times, and that's an extreme overbought market condition, and then we can take a sell. So I'm just waiting for a bit of confirmation to the CCI that it's going down, and then I can take a trade. So yeah, so I just took a trade right now, and let's see how it's going to play out. So as you can see, the market is pretty much moving down to our direction based on the analysis of the CCI and the market trend, right? And this is just going to be the same as the inverse. When the market is going to be trending up, you're going to look for the extreme, like the minus 100, and then you can take a buy once it starts to reverse. As you saw there, that was a brilliant position. So now I'm going to start using the robot. So now let's see how Olymp Matix uses the CCI. Alright guys, so now let's set the robot up for the CCI. So as you can see right there, the CCI is there. You just click technical indicator there for the robot on the right side. As you can see, the robot settings, you click there and then you choose, and then CCI is that one, and then now the robot is going to trade using CCI, and then we can just test with $100 because we're using a demo to test the strategy. And I advise you do that. Maybe if you want to see how effective it is, you test your system, and then you can apply it when you're trading, and then you can deposit minimum of $50 to $100, and then you can make the robot do wonders for you. So today we're going to be testing the CCI. So with that said, the trade duration is going to be on 1 minute, and making sure that your crypto combo site is also chosen there. And yeah, I'm going to be using it as well there, right? So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna start the robot because I've set up everything and everything is in order, right? And I'm going to be using optimal risk. So let's go. So now the robot is testing a session for signal, sorry, and then in this scenario it chose to take a buy, right? So let's watch, and then we see if we do come out profitable. But then it shows very good momentum to the outside already, and that's amazing. So the robot now is doing its things. So what I like about the robot is that it's gonna take the trades without any emotion, without any analysis you do manually. You just sit on your hands and watch the robot do its thing. You know the vibes. So let's see how this trade is gonna close. 20 seconds left. Okay, as you see, the first trade was a loss, but then as I said before, there's a random between wins and losses in the market. So we're just gonna relax and watch the robot its thing and give it a small sample size, and then we see if we do come out on top. But then the first one was a loss, and then let's continue and see how it's gonna perform. It has already taken a sell. I bet it took this out because we're already over 100. So yeah, we're over plus 100. So let's see how this trade is gonna work. But then, as I always say, the robot is created such that in a manner you can take a couple of losses, but then you just need one to recover everything, right? So you just need yourself to have a good buffer on your account balance, and then you'd be good, right? Because it continues to multiply, because you can see right now we're on a multiple of 200, right? Making sure that if we take a loss and then we win this one, and then the trade is just gonna cover for the previous losses. As you can see, guys, a brilliant win. We've covered a previous loss and we've also made some profit. So you can see we're already up $85, given the fact that we win one and lost one, but then we're still in profit. You can see the amazingness of the AI robots, right? So this is the CCI indicator being used by the Olymp Matix robot. So let's continue giving it a sample size and let's see if we do come out on top. But then things are looking to go as planned, and yeah, that's the vibes of the robot, the best robot in the markets. Yes sir. So guys, you can clearly see the amazingness of the robot. Also killed another trade, and we're already up 170 profits on the test account. As you can see there, testing the CCI with you guys, and you can see these are trades taken live. These are live trades taken in front of you guys. So let's see the next trade. And as you can see, guys, straight from the bet, the market is just pushing to the downward. But then yeah, let's give it some time and see how the trade closes. As we can see, guys, right there, we're taking a beautiful buy to the upside, and this one is gonna win. Wait for it. As you can see, we're already up 255, right? And given we did take a couple of losses, and as I said, with the robot is designed to recover from a single trade, right? Especially when you're using optimal risk. But given you have a good buffer, everything is gonna work as planned. As you can see right there, we took 3 losses in one trade, and most of the time with the robot I usually take 3 losses at most, and then it's getting me back. But even if you get 4, but then making sure you have a good buffer, you're still on track. As you can see right there, these are the trades we won with the robot, right? See where the robot started 1, 2, 3 winning trades, and was still profitable regardless of having these losses, right? And this current trade looks like it's gonna win as well, looking like the market is selling nicely. But then let's be patient and just watch and learn. And pretty much beautiful, we're already up 240 USD into profit. As you can see, the robot is pretty much profitable using the CCI, and you can check it out yourself in the description of the video. The links are gonna be below, and also the pinned comment. You can just sign up for free, and then you can test this out and then you start killing it with Olymp Matix. Yes sir. That's it for today. CCI is a simple tool but powerful tool for spotting trends and reversals. Combined with Olymp Matix, it helps trade calmly and efficiently. Remember, consistency and following signals is key. So guys, before we end the video, if you want my daily robot setups using indicators like CCI, hit me up on my VIP group. Links are in the description of the video. Let's grow your trading together.